Hello everybody, Matteo here, and again I welcome you in my little RC garage. I have here the new Traxxas TRX-4 Mercedes-Benz G500. This car have out of the box amazing scale details. For example, the exhaust under the chassis, door handles, side mirrors, windshield wipers and many more. But one thing I don't like are the black non-transparent windows. And this I'm going to modify now. But as first I like to make the inner side of the body dark. It's not nice to have clear windows and then see this white interior. So here you can see I have sprayed the inner side with matte black. Now I can start to cut off the windows. As first I drill a hole on every corner of the window. Then I use a polycarbonate scissor to remove the inner part of the window. As next, to get a proper straight line, I use a very sharp knife and scratch a fine line along the edge. So it is very easy to break off the part and the result is a nice sharp line. Here you can see the result. Now I can refine a bit the corners. For this work I use a Dremel. So, here you can see all windows are removed. The next thing I like to do is to paint the fenders with matte black. Before I can paint it, I had to mask the body. So, the matte black is painted and I can remove the maskings. Here you can see the result. The next step is the preparation of the interior. As base I use this perforated aluminum sheet. I've got it from a local hardware store. I have trimmed it to the right size and bent the edges. After painting black, I pre-installed the driver figure and seats to check and be sure everything fits well on the right place. By the way, it's the 4x4 vehicle driver figure from Tamiya. And here you can see the finished interior. Driver figure painted, glued together, and the seats are screwed on the aluminum sheet. As next I can make the windows. I use these clear polycarbonate sheets from Killer Body. After cutting it to the right size, I can glue it on the inside of the body using Shugu glue. I use this self-adhesive black film to cover the not so good looking glue lines. I'm using the same adhesive film for making some body lines. Now I'm ready to install the interior. And as you can see, it fits very well. I fix it on the inside by using this strong adhesive tape. The advantage of this is the possibility to remove it again easily for some cleaning or maintenance. Now I have installed all the details and the body is finished, now with clear windows, matte fenders and driver figure. I like it, on the body are so many nice details. For example, the front skid plate installed on the chassis fits perfect to the polycarbonate body. Or, as I already showed, The exhausts are not only two holes at the end. Or look how well the polycarbonate body fits on the rock sliders. All lights, also the side markers, are prepared to use LEDs on it. Also the roof spoiler can be equipped with LEDs. All door handles are made in hard plastic and windshield wipers also. The wheels are non-beadlocks and inspired by the real G500 wheels. The diameter is the same as on the other TRX-4, but the rims are bigger and the tires have a low profile. This to reach more the look of the real G500. So I hope you liked this information and the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and see you next time.